Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in this video today I'll be showing you this really cool website that allows you to completely remove out your background image. So it's very simple. You just go to this link right here. I'll have it linked in the description below for you guys if you want to go check it out. So it's very simple. You just click on this blue button that says upload image. So I'll click on it. I'll go to my files and pick an image. I'll pick this rabbit right here. And then just wait for maybe 5 seconds and voila, your background has been removed. And if you want to, you can even download your image, but I've already downloaded this rabbit without its background already, so I'm just not going to do that again. And yeah, that's pretty much all it is. And this is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe and drop a like, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, feedbacks, or any comments, and I'll reply back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new, and keep coding.